spend majority of your day sitting and experiencing headaches. Dr. Madeline here at Forward Spine Center, and today I'm going to show you what a treatment may look like here at Forward Spine Center for headaches. This patient presented with acute headaches. She does a lot of repetitive sitting, computer work. So I'm going to start out by adjusting her mid-back, working to her upper back, her neck, and then I'm going to finish it off with some muscle work. So how long have you been experiencing headaches?
Probably for a while, like on and off for about 6 months.
6 months?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And what seems to help most with your headaches?
I've noticed like muscle work, like when I do like my own like stretching and stuff like that. And going to the chiropractor.
Getting adjusted. Deep breath in.
Mm-hmm.
Any low back pain?
Not really.
Okay. Let's have you flipping over on your back. Okay. Do you clench your jaw?
Yeah, a lot.
The trick with treating headaches is really figuring out what is the cause of the headache. There's many different types of headaches. Is it tension related? Is it posture related? Is the patient clenching their jaw? Is it hormonal? Is it, if TMJ, getting massaging, working into the jaw? Positions, how are they sleeping at night? What are they doing repetitively that may be putting stress onto the upper back, onto the neck? Because not only do we want to adjust and provide that short-term instant relief, but we also not only have to figure out what's triggering it, but then also giving the patient exercises and stretches and tools at home so then they can take care of it themselves. Often when I do treat, I always accompany my treatment with soft tissue work. I do feel like if we don't address the tension in the muscles, the tension in the surrounding areas, I can adjust the area, but then it's just that tightness of the muscle is just going to pull that adjustment right back to how it was before. So I do muscle work before each adjustment. We may start you out with some heat, some electrical muscle stim. Is your headaches more on one side?
Yeah, I kind of feel them like up in like this area, like maybe
More on the left?
like right there.
Or on your C1?
Yeah. Like sometimes like the back of the neck too.
A lot of times with posture, it also, a lot of tightness in the pectorals, the front of the chest. If she sits at the computer, a lot of repetitive, leaning forward, rounding, shoulders rolling forward. A lot of stress gets put onto the forearms and the wrists. Let's have you sit on up. Bring your legs on over. Good, and then squat on over here.
Like this? Or
Yeah, just right there. Sometimes I'll use certain tools, if it be a Graston or some tool to help dig out the tissue a little bit more. Getting into the anterior scalenes. The upper traps. Getting down into the levator. The little rhomboids. And yours is always more on the left?
Mm-hmm. I think because that's the side I sleep on.
The side you hold trays on?
My left.
It's your left.
Mm-hmm.
So a lot of constant use on that left side. This side isn't as tender.
It's pretty tender. I'd probably say a little bit more.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, and you're right-handed, correct?
No, I'm left.
You're left-handed.
Yeah. But I feel like it's like overcompensation on the right side.
All right. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Dr. Madeline here at Ford Spine Center. Thank you for allowing me to be part of your health journey.